What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Broadcom stock. So, guys, I'll be taking you over the update on the position that I have open on this on the short side, which has been open for around a week now. So, today, since the price action has made some move, and I usually cover some of these stocks when there's an update on my position, right? Usually, if I'm covering them in the stop loss, I'll talk about them in the videos. And if the position is moving and it's making some changes in the directions, I'll talk about then as well. So today I have things as for the update. And is Broadcom going to go down to now $1,040? Is that the possibility? So let's talk about all of that stuff. And let's see what's been going on in the market, right? All in all, once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm only providing my opinion. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. So we also have, here's this madness doesn't stop. You can see across the multiple stocks, NVIDIA, AMD, all SMCI, even they're getting upgrades. We have an upgrade for Broadcom as well. $1,500 from 1,405. It's a $95 increase, not that much. But yeah, they're just trying to push it up, right? Look at it. 1,405 is where? The supply zone, right around here, right? The lot of resistance been occurring. So what they're trying to do is raise that price target just high enough so that if they get lucky, it hits all these stop losses any short players who would be having, like myself, right? I have been having this short play, and they're just trying to squeeze it up. But is it going to happen technically? No, it's not happening. All analysts, all these things are being blown up on the faces of analysts, all these upgrades that they have been doing for no reason. And so we'll talk about technicals, guys, and we have been doing with the technicals. So the previous position of mine ran into the stop loss on Broadcom. I could have increased my stop loss. I talked about it. I can increase back then, but I said, okay, let it just hit it, right? And then I re-entered again at this level of 1,359, almost 1,359. And yeah, I have been in this short play. Now, it has been a zigzaggy ride, and I have been talking about in a couple of the videos over the weekend as well, that it is trying to find the stabilization above 20 days moving average and 50. However, if I take it to the hourly interval, I was seeing weakness at the same time because it was constantly rejecting this 200 hours moving average as well. It was struggling to go up. I was seeing lower highs all the time. So I was fine holding on to this position. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm still holding this position. And yeah, I'm still holding this position, and it has given me extra confirmations of breaking and rejecting below 200 hours moving average as well. Today, it rejected below 200 hours moving average, and not just that, it has lately also formed this lower highs. So it's a continuation of the downtrend. All this what happens during the distribution phase when these big boats starts to change their direction. Right, so yeah, guys, I'm still holding my short position on Broadcom that I'll keep holding, and until where. So as you know, I like to take partial profits out along the way. I am at one of the levels of the significant level, and I do have a bit of an order placed, very small, to take out the profits, and that is around maybe 15% of my position. And then rest, I'll just let it carry. I'm targeting next level is 1200, and yes, I think it has a room to come down to this 200 days moving average. This is going to be a long short position for me. Like for long term, I'll be carrying this short position, I guess. And I think market is going to cool off. You can see that Broadcom is also made a lower high in this distribution phase. I don't expect it to go higher from here. Again, not saying that it's going to hit 1,040 tomorrow itself, this area, but there's likelihood that it will, look, 200 days moving average will keep coming up, and I'll accordingly adjust my position on this. But I plan on taking these profits along the ways down there. So if you ask me, is it bullish? No, it's not bullish. It's full on bearish. I just showed you on the hourly interval, lower highs, lower lows. I can show you a few things on 4 hours interval as well. Because we can capture a lot of the the price action in the screen here, right? Look at it. Supply zone of the double top. Retesting this area with a distribution phase, and we just gave up that distribution phase finally, guys, right? I showed you these lower highs, right? And yeah, look at the candles today. It's just a massive sell-off. There is, I can't see any bullish thing on this. This can continue lower as if it wants to continue lower. Yeah, there is nothing I can see. There is nothing I can see on this. So, and you can see how QQQ and SPY are also plummeting. The flushes that I have been talking about on these, we are having huge sell-off on these, and not just QQQ and SPY. Let me show you NVIDIA today. I'll be doing another video. I did one video in the morning, guys. Check this out on my channel, NVIDIA make or break levels. This is for the morning update. I already did AMD and ARM as well. Check these videos out on my channel. I'll be doing another video on NVIDIA once the market has closed. That's going to be soon. And then, guys, this thing, as what I have been saying, that this is a distribution phase on NVIDIA, and we are back into that box to the downside. So yeah, this thing can crack open few things to the downside tomorrow. Big ones, massive moves for weeks and months to come. So yeah, this week NVIDIA would be a very, it's like a big ship on NVIDIA is also turning, guys. I'll talk more about when I do NVIDIA video. You already know I have a short play on AMD. Analysts everywhere have been upgrading the price targets and things are falling. And that's what I have been saying on my videos. Don't listen to them. If you go and buy just as when they are saying, you're going to lose your shirt. Look at this short play, nice sweet short play that I am in. I talked about this flush, and look at this amazing flush that we are getting, guys. ARM, I talked about this flush in the video. Check that video out on my channel. Looking great. Looking great. This has a possibility to go to $80. Well, coming back to Broadcom, I'll talk about SMC as well in another video. It's an interesting thing, but it needs a special dedicated video. But yeah, Broadcom is also lost 50 days moving average, losing 20 days moving average. There's just continuation to the downside that can happen. And as I say, I always like to be prepared. My stop loss is back there, up there. I might want to, as you know, I will be sizing in, sizing out, mostly sizing out here in the profits. But if a rebound comes, good one that I see, hey, this is a rebound opportunity to reload more on the short side, I might do that. But right now, I expect for the rest of this week, I think we might just see a follow through to the downside on all these stocks. Oh my God, wow. Look at the NVIDIA, it's just not stopping. $843, $30 down today. This is like just shaking the market today. People's legs are shaking, guys. Analysts are running. Their shops are closed now, guys. So anyways, I'll talk to you in other videos, guys. Take care. Bye.